My dear technicians, welcome to my new video. This is Oche Mobile Tech. Here is a Villaon keypad button phone with me, and the customer brought it to me. You can see this is a Villaon, and the customer complains that the phone is not turning on. So I tried to check the phone, and here it is. So if you try to power on the phone, it's not going to come on. So I brought this as a lesson for us. Let's learn together. Let's troubleshoot this phone and make sure it works. So now let me plug in my charger and let me see if it will on, if it will charge or not. So you can see it has come on with the logo. It has come on with the logo and it is charging. You can see it has gone off again. It's like the charger is shaking. It has gone off. So let's try and remove the charger and plug it back. So you can see the logo has come on and it is charging. It's coming on and going. So with this now, I'm going to stick us straight. Let's troubleshoot this phone and let's make sure it works. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to make this work. You can see that plugging in the charger makes the phone to come on. That is a sign that the panel is good, that the PCB is good. You can see it is showing that there's life in the PCB, that the phone still have life in it. So now I'm going to show you how you can solve it. You can see that it is charging, but when you try to power it on, you see that it's not going to come on. Can you see? This is just a quick note, a quick sign. You can see it is still charging. This is a quick sign that the issue is actually from what is it called? From the power button. You can see it has gone off. So now I've removed the keys, the button keys, so that to start my troubleshooting. Yeah. So let's try to power it on again with the picker and see if it is going to come on or not. You can see it's not coming on. It's not coming on. But let's see if the panel is bringing light. You can see there's light in the PCB. Can you see? You can see all the bulbs are lighting up. So now this is the power key issue. You might ask me, how do I know? I know because if not for the power key issue, if there's any other issue with the PCB, it's not supposed to charge at all. If there's actually another issue beside this, the phone is not going to charge at all. So that is why if you plug in the charger, it's charging, but it cannot come on. So now we are going to trace the power line in the PCB and know where to connect it from. All right, you can see from what I see here, it's like they have already attempted to repair this phone. Okay, can you see? They have attempted to repair this phone by hitting it up on all that. Anyways, no problem. Let's go ahead and see. So let's check for physical damage first. You can see, let's check for physical damage. Let's check if there's any physical damage. There's no physical damage, so let's get straight to the power flex. This is the power button. You can see, can you see? This is the power button. All right, this is the power button, and now that power button goes to the back of the PCB, the middle pin. The middle pin, it goes to the back of the PCB. It goes to the back of the PCB. So now, if you are to, can you see? Now you might ask me that how is it that I'm sure it is powerless? I'm sure it is the power button because there is an open circuit. There is a reason why it cannot trigger the voltage into the IC to power on the phone. So now at the back here, you see that there's a little point there that connects down this way to the other point. And that other point that it's connected to, it goes to the front of the PCB. You can see from here to here, from here to here. There's a connection there. All right. There's a connection there. Now we are going to check it with our multimeter. All right. To be sure that yes, there's an open circuit on the power line. Okay. This is a point. You can see this is a point. I've used razor to scribble it a little. This is a point. Okay. That is the power line that goes to the back and then connected and then come to the front. You can see from this point. So this is the point that came to the front of the PCB here. Can you see? So from here, that the big one is a negative, right? The big one is a negative. So and the middle one is a positive. So I'm going to carry my multimeter to test. Okay. Let me get my multimeter. All right. Please be patient. Let's troubleshoot this one step by step. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Engineers, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time and troubleshoot a mobile phone or any electronics that is brought to you. All right. So I've set my multimeter to continuity mode. All right. I've set it to continuity mode. Can you see? Can you see? I've set it to continuity mode. Let me check the probe bar. You can see it is reading now, right? It is reading. It is reading. So now let me get the PCB so that we check the connection. So now let's check from here to here first. You can see it's not connecting. It's not connecting. Can you see? My dear technicians, can you see? It's not connecting. It's not connecting. Let's read again. Can you see? It's not connecting. That is to show you that there is an open circuit there. Can you see? Let me zoom in so that I want you to see it well. So now let's read from the back. Let's read from the back. It's not also reading. What could be the issue? It's not reading. Let me connect my probe. Oh, my probe has shaken. Let me adjust it. Let me adjust it. Okay. It's working now. It's working now. So this point. So now let me get my battery. Let me get my battery. And let's try to switch on the phone from there and let's see. If you're only from here, you see that it's not coming on. Can you see? Because of the open circuit. So now you can see there's light. There's light. So now let's connect it to the point and see if it's going to come on or not. Let's see. It's not coming on. Let's see. Let me adjust the battery again and then try to on it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It's not still coming on. It's not still coming. So let me still try. Let's try. Let's try and see. It's not. Is it coming on? It's not still coming on. All right. So let me try it again. No. Let me try with the negative. Let's try. You can see it has come on. It has finally come on now. Can you see? It has finally come on. Okay. Just come on. Can you see? Can you see? Just come on. Just come on. Has it gone off back? Let's see. Let's see. Let's power it on again. Let's power it on. Oh, it's even on, self. I thought it went off. Okay. So it's like my hand is making the buttons to malfunction because of my hand is directly on the PCB. Can you see? So my hand was making the buttons to malfunction. So now we have seen where the issue from. So now we are going to make our connection. Please take your time, engineers. When you come to sensitive work, when it comes to work of mobile phone, especially when troubleshooting, take your time and do it. Take your time and do it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a rush. Take your time. All right. So now I'm getting my jumper, my connection wire. I want to get my connection wire. Okay. Getting my connection wire now. Let me connect it. Let me just cut some length that I'm going to use. Okay. I don't want this video to be too long, but if it is long, probably we're going to make it part 2. So now let's peel off the coating. The coating on the wire, let's peel it off. Let's peel it off so that it can work perfectly without partial contact. All right. So I'm getting off the coating. I'm getting the coating of the wire now. Okay. So I'm going to apply my lead. I'm going to apply my lead. Yep. I want to apply my lead, but first let me apply paste to the PCB. Let me apply my lead now to the PCB, to the power point. So let's do this. Okay. You can see I'm done applying my lead to the PCB now. So now let's apply the lead to the connection wire. Yeah. So that the work will be easy for us. So let's apply it again. That one removed. Let's apply it again. Let's apply it again. So let's apply. So let's connect it now to this first point. Because let's connect it. Let's do our connection now. Let's do our connection now. Please take your time. Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. Okay? Don't rush. This work is not for rushing. If you rush, you cannot be a technician. Okay? Do it gradually. Take your time and do this work. Okay? If you rush, you might not get a good result. Okay? So don't rush. Don't rush. I'm cutting. Let me reduce some length on the wire because it is too long. So now let me peel off the coating again. Let me peel off the coating. Let me peel off the coating again because I want it perfect. I want a perfect connection. Remember, I told you the power button. The middle point came outside at the back of the PCB here. So let's apply our paste and then run the connection. Okay. Okay. Let's apply our lead now. So now, please be careful. Okay, be careful. Don't rush. So now let's connect it now. Let's connect it to the point. Let's connect it to the point. Let's connect it to the point. Okay. Okay. Please take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. All right. Take your time to do this. Don't rush. My dear technicians, take your time. Take your time. The connection removed, so I'm trying to reconnect it. I'm trying to reconnect it in a good way. So now let's connect it. I'm trying to be careful so that I don't want to breach. I don't want to breach because if it breach, it's not going to work fine. So I'm trying to be careful, engineers. My dear technicians, take your time. Take your time. Take your time to do this. Take your time. I'm almost done. I'll soon be done. I'll soon be done. Wow. I'm finally done. Can you see? Can you see? So now, let me get my battery and test it. Let's test. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's test it now and see how far with it. And see how far with the work. It's not coming on. It's still not coming on. It's not coming on. It's still not coming on. Okay. It's not coming on. Okay. It's not coming on. So let's switch it from the point again. Let's see. You can see that the phone has come on. So there's still an open circuit there. So the continuation of this video, I'll drop it very soon. So thanks for watching.